Nation, welcome to the Duza Bear Digest for Sunday, July 4th, 2021. On the very first digest, I said these segments would be about what interests me and entertains me. And while the pandemic, as well as media and opposition party hypocrisy, have been dominant lately, today I thought I'd shift gears to the other end of the spectrum, entertainment. Now don't worry, I'm not about to update you on The Bachelor or Love Island or what's up with the Kardashians. I'm talking about toys! Specifically, one of the newest kits from LEGO, number 21327, a replica manual typewriter. This kit has gears and a lot of fiddly bits and took about 8 hours to assemble. And the end result isn't just a gorgeous desk piece. It also mimics the actions and sounds of an old manual typewriter in a very delicious way. And while I still think LEGO's wasting our time putting pieces in too many bags for each step, there were 4 just covering the first sub-assembly. It's a minor complaint, and this item is gorgeous. Yeah, just thought I'd throw that in there. On this day in 1826, both John Adams and Thomas Jefferson died during the 50th anniversary celebrations of the U.S. Declaration of Independence. Enemies to the end. Adams' last words were, "Thomas Jefferson survives." The joke was on him, though. Jefferson had died hours earlier. Loser! On this day in 2012, the Higgs boson particles were discovered at the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. In case you were wondering what and when we all slipped into a parallel universe where Donald Trump could become president, I'm betting that was it. Today is also Caesar Salad Day. For an authentic Caesar salad, remember to use romaine lettuce and stab it about 23 times. And that's today's Duza Bear Digest. See you tomorrow!